Quiz platter. A platter full of knowledge. Ready to test your flag knowledge? Guess the Western Europe countries by their flags. Guess the first flag. Answer is Austria. Answer is Belgium. Answer is France. Answer is Germany. Answer is Liechtenstein. Answer is Luxembourg. Answer is Monaco. Answer is Netherlands. Answer is Switzerland. Ready to test your flag knowledge? Guess the Northern Europe countries by their flags. Guess the first flag. Answer is Denmark. Answer is Estonia. Answer is Finland. Answer is Iceland. Answer is Ireland. Answer is Latvia. Answer is Lithuania. Answer is Norway. Answer is Sweden. Answer is United Kingdom. Ready to test your flag knowledge? Guess the Eastern Europe countries by their flags. Guess the first flag. Answer is Belarus. Answer is Bulgaria. Answer is Czech Republic. Answer is Hungary. Answer is Moldova. Answer is Poland. Answer is Romania. Answer is Russia. Answer is Slovakia. Answer is Ukraine. Ready to test your flag knowledge? Guess the Southern Europe countries by their flags. Guess the first flag. Answer is Albania. Answer is Andorra. Answer is Bosnia and Herzegovina. Answer is Croatia. Answer is Greece. Answer is Vatican City. Answer is Italy. Answer is Malta. Answer is Montenegro. Answer is North Macedonia. Answer is Portugal. Answer is San Marino. Answer is Serbia. Answer is Slovenia. Answer is Spain. Quiz Platter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.